In this video, we're diving into the 25 most profitable and high-demand bakery food ideas. Whether you're dreaming of opening a bakery, starting a home-based dessert brand, or expanding your current menu, these ideas are proven sellers that customers love and crave. 1. Cupcakes. These bite-sized treats are a timeless favorite. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, and everyday snacks, they offer great profit margins and endless room for creativity. From gourmet flavors to beautiful frosting designs, they're easy to brand and sell both online and in-store. A small kitchen can churn out big returns. 2. Doughnuts. These sweet rings of joy have gone from classic to gourmet, making them a bakery goldmine. Unique glazes, fillings, and toppings help you stand out. Whether fried or baked, doughnuts work well in shops, cafes, or mobile trucks. Seasonal and trendy variations drive repeat sales and social media buzz. 3. Bagels. This chewy breakfast item is a staple with big business potential. Sell them plain, flavored, or stuffed with cream cheese and deli fillings. They're great for grab-and-go customers and pair well with coffee. With wholesale and retail options, a good bagel can build a loyal morning crowd. 4. Cookies. Baked to perfection and bursting with flavor, these are one of the easiest and most profitable baked goods to sell. Think oversized, stuffed, or custom-designed varieties. You can package them for gifts, sell at events, or ship nationwide. Cookies have low startup costs, long shelf life, and huge demand across age groups. 5. Cheesecake. This rich and creamy dessert is something people gladly pay premium prices for. Offer them whole, in slices, or in jars for easy packaging and delivery. With endless flavor options and visual appeal, cheesecakes do well in cafes, gift shops, and online dessert stores. 6. Brownies. Brownies are comfort food that never goes out of style. Easy to make in bulk and endlessly customizable with nuts, frosting, or stuffed centers. You can sell them by the piece, tray, or in gift boxes. Fudgy, chewy, or cakey, they're a guaranteed crowd pleaser. 7. Artisan Bread. Artisan breads like sourdough, ciabatta, and multigrain loaves are rising in demand. Health-conscious consumers love real ingredients and slow fermentation. These breads fetch premium prices at farmers markets and specialty grocers. Plus, loyal customers often buy weekly, giving you a stable income stream. 8. Chocolate-covered strawberries. Elegant, simple, and perfect for gifts, chocolate-covered strawberries have strong holiday and romantic appeal. Sell them in decorative boxes for Valentine's Day, weddings, or birthdays. They're easy to prepare, highly Instagrammable, and can be priced well above their cost for excellent profit margins. 9. Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls are warm, sticky, and irresistible. They're ideal for morning traffic and brunch menus. You can offer them fresh-baked or pre-made and frozen. Flavor twists like cream cheese glaze, apple cinnamon, or pecan make them perfect for repeat sales and seasonal promotions. 10. Croissants. Flaky, buttery croissants are a cafe essential. They're labor-intensive but command a high price. Fill them with chocolate, ham and cheese, or almond paste for variety. Great for dine-in or takeaway, croissants elevate your bakery brand and attract customers who value artisanal quality. 11. Macarons. Macarons are fancy, colorful, and perfect for gifts or weddings. While tricky to master, they bring high returns due to premium pricing and visual appeal. Flavors like pistachio, lavender, and rose water make them feel exclusive. These French delights thrive in upscale and online markets. 12. Muffins. Muffins are breakfast heroes, quick to make, easy to sell, and always in demand. Offer healthy options like bran and blueberry or indulgent ones like chocolate chip and coffee cake. They're ideal for busy commuters and can be sold wholesale to cafes, hotels, and schools. 13. Tarts. Beautiful and refined, tarts are perfect for premium dessert menus. Think lemon, berry, or chocolate ganache varieties. Their striking presentation makes them ideal for upscale events and bakery windows. Mini tarts are popular for catering and allow you to offer multiple flavors in one box. 14. Cake Pops. Cake Pops are small, fun, and incredibly profitable. They're ideal for birthdays, kids' parties, or custom gifts. You can turn leftover cake into a premium product with clever decoration. Easy to package and ship, they're great for building an online bakery presence. 15. Churros. Churros are fun, festive, and fast-selling. These fried treats are a hit at pop-up shops, food trucks, and events. Dust them with cinnamon sugar or fill them with chocolate or caramel. Their smell alone draws crowds, and with minimal ingredients, they offer strong profit margins. 16. Whoopi pies. These soft sandwich-style cakes are a nostalgic treat, making a comeback. Whoopi pies are easy to flavor and customize, from red velvet to esmores. Their unique look and rich filling make them stand out in a crowded market and sell well in both casual and gift settings. 17. Scones. Scones are perfect for breakfast and tea lovers alike. From classic raisin to blueberry lemon or savory cheese, scones cater to both sweet and savory preferences. They pair beautifully with coffee and tea, making them a bestseller in cafes and farmers markets. 18. Birthday cake. Custom birthday cakes are a steady income source for bakeries. From simple designs to elaborate themes, these cakes can be priced high due to labor and creativity. Offer online ordering, quick delivery, and themed options to tap into birthday celebrations year-round. 19. Breakfast pastries. Think danishes, turnovers, and bear claws. Breakfast pastries offer great variety and daily sales. They work well in display cases and pair with morning coffee. Freshly baked daily, they encourage repeat visits and can be sold wholesale to local offices and coffee shops. 20. Baklava. A layered, nutty, syrup-soaked dessert from the Mediterranean, baklava stands out in any bakery. Its rich flavor and long shelf life make it perfect for selling in boxes or at specialty food markets. It's a premium product with loyal fans and high margins. 21. Pies. Pies are an all-American classic, perfect for holidays and family dinners. Apple, pecan, pumpkin, or berry offer both whole and mini versions. They sell great at farmers markets, online, and in-store. With seasonal flavors, pies can create a loyal customer base that returns year after year. 22. Bobka. Bobka is a rich, twisted loaf filled with chocolate, cinnamon, or fruit. Its beautiful swirl and soft texture make it perfect for both breakfast and dessert. Popular in Jewish and artisan bakeries, it's also becoming a mainstream hit at specialty grocers and cafes. 23. Fkaca. Fkaca is a savory Italian flatbread that works for sandwiches, side dishes, or standalone snacks. Its olive oil-rich, airy texture and endless topping options make it popular in both cafes and gourmet markets. It's a smart way to expand into savory bakery offerings. 24. Canoli. Canoli are crisp pastry tubes filled with sweet ricotta cream, an Italian classic. These treats are eye-catching, indulgent, and perfect for events or retail displays. Custom flavors and toppings like chocolate chips or pistachios make them stand out in a premium dessert lineup. 25. Ice cream sandwich cookies. These are the ultimate summer treat. Pair chewy cookies with premium ice cream flavors for a nostalgic yet gourmet dessert. They sell great at events, pop-ups, or frozen in local grocery stores. Perfect for warm weather and Instagram-friendly packaging. Thanks for watching. That's it. 25 delicious bakery items that customers can't resist and entrepreneurs can truly profit from. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business ideas.